Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing my eye makeup on camera. I went to the Lulu's Style Studio event during New York Fashion Week, and there was so much going on at that event. It was a really cool place to be. I was so excited that I was able to go. And one of the things I got to take home was a palette. So 100% Pure was there giving out their pretty naked palettes, and they were doing some like DIY embossing. So you took this like clear marker and you could write whatever you want, and then they covered it in this rose gold powder, then they heated it up so you could reveal the design. So I wrote Amanda Bella. The marker was so big that it was like this big sloppy mess, but whatever. I still think it's really cool, and this palette is beautiful. I could not wait to try it. So it's just a bunch of light pinks, mauves, some browns. So this is a luminizer, this is a blush, and these are eyeshadows. So today I wanted to test it out on camera. I have never used anything from this brand ever, and I'm excited to try it out. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, let's start with the eyes. I'm gonna take a little bit of this Urban Decay Complexion Primer. It is for your face, but it works so well, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of it on my eyes. So I got this gorgeous set of brushes from Jessica Simpson. She recently launched a line of brushes, all different styles, and I got these really cool silver ones they sent to me, so I'm excited to finally be using them today, because as you can tell, they are fresh out of the packaging. So I'm gonna use a couple of the shadow brushes. I think I'm gonna start with this middle one here. I'm gonna load it up onto my brush. Not super pigmented, but I kind of like it. This one is called Toffee. Then I'm gonna go in with Chestnut. Load that up on my brush, and that's gonna go into the crease. These powders aren't super pigmented. They all have a bit of a sheen to them. The fallout is pretty intense in the package. As you can see, it's definitely a lot of fallout in the palette. A little bit on my face, not too much. Kind of wish this was a little darker, but it's still pretty for every day. I'm gonna take this one and go under my eye as well. All right, then I'm gonna go in with the lightest color, this one, and apply that all over my lid here. Can you really tell the difference? I can't really. I'm gonna go back in and do a little more dark. I feel like there's nothing on my eye. All right, let me put my liner and mascara on, and I'm just gonna complete this eye so we can do a side by side. All right, I am going to go do the entire other eye real quick, and I'll be right back. So this is definitely a very subtle look, nothing crazy, very muted, I guess is a good word to use. I'm gonna use their blush and their luminizer real quick. Take a little bit of the blush. I actually really like this blush a lot. Kind of like the perfect shade. Ooh, I like that. And now let's use the luminizer a little bit on our cheekbones. Overall, I like this look. It's very sweet and it's very soft. It's a good everyday look, nothing crazy, but I'm not totally impressed with this palette. It just, I don't know, didn't really have anything crazy to offer. I do love the colors, I just don't know if they transfer as well to the face. The blush is probably my favorite part of the whole thing. I really love how my cheeks look. It's just a very soft and natural pink, and I'm a huge fan. This is probably something I'll hang on to, at least for the blush. It was fun to try. So if you didn't notice, I hit my 5,000 subscriber goal, and a giveaway is officially in the works. So I'm putting it together, kind of working out the kinks, figuring out what I want to give away, how long to run it for, and all that jazz. So stay tuned, that will be coming soon. I might announce it on my blog, so if you're not subscribed to my blog or you don't follow me on Instagram, definitely check that out, because I will be announcing details there. _Amanda Bella, you can find me on Insta, and my blog is amanda-bella.com. if you didn't know. Anyway, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Leave me a comment below letting me know what you think about this look, and if you've ever tried any products from 100% Pure, because I never had. I'd never even heard of them. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you again, and I will see you all next time.